Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate debt repayment with Discover, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate debt repayment with Discover, start by visiting the Discover website. Log into your Discover account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the Register option. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section in the main menu. Look for the Autopay option within the Payments section. Click on Set up Autopay to initiate the automated payment process. Choose the account from which you want the payments to be withdrawn. Select the amount you would like to pay each month. You can choose the minimum payment, a fixed amount, or the full balance. Next, select the date on which you want the payment to occur each month. Review the payment method options to ensure your preferred bank account is linked. If needed, add a new payment method by following the prompts to enter your bank details. Once your payment method is confirmed, proceed to review your autopay settings. Make sure all the details are correct before confirming the setup. After reviewing, click on the Submit button to finalize your autopay setup. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that autopay is successfully set up. Keep track of your payment schedule and adjust the settings as needed in the future. To make changes, revisit the autopay section at any time. Regularly monitor your account to ensure payments are processed successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.